Good morning, guys. I'm heading over to my mom and dad's today to help my mom get ready for Thanksgiving, get her house ready for Thanksgiving. She always hosts Thanksgiving. She has for as long as I can remember, except for a few years here and there where cousins or aunts have done it. We've got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna help her clean. I'm gonna help her get her countertops cleared off and ready. We do have a large family. I just want to go ahead and kind of explain how we do things. We do have a large family, so none of us have a large enough table to accommodate everyone. So we lay out all Thanksgiving food on the countertops in the kitchen and have like buffet style. And then my mom has a kitchen table, obviously, and then we do set up another table in her hallway. Her hall is really big. It's kind of like its own room itself, so we set up another table in there. So I'm excited to bring you guys along. The boys are going with me. I've got to go wake them up actually and get them ready and hit the road and head to Granddaddy and Yoda's to help my mom prepare for Thanksgiving. I can't believe Thanksgiving is a week away. I'm filming this on Thursday, exactly 1 week from Thanksgiving. I just can't believe it. This year has flown by.
I don't need no roses on my bed. I can pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna buy.
Welcome to my mom and dad's house. I'm going to give you all a little preview of the rooms before we get started cleaning. And first is the kitchen. This is where I'm going to be starting because, hey, that's the most important part at a Thanksgiving family gathering, right? So we need to do some dishes. We need to straighten up and clean the countertops and get it looking nice for our family.
If you don't wanna stay, so how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. A little closure, babe. Oh, a little closure. Little closure from you. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed.
You'll see me moving things around a lot in this video. That's the thing about organizing and decorating. You just kind of have to move things around until you get it the way that you like it. And so I'm just kind of figuring out as I go. So that's why I keep moving things around throughout this whole video. little tip that I like to use is when you have to have stuff out on your countertops, like medicines or, you know, things that you need, that you use, combine them, organize them and combine them into a really pretty decorative piece. That way it's part of your decor, but it has a purpose as well, and it just looks so much neater. That's just something that I do at my house. Kitchen is done and I think it looks so good. I'm really pleased. This and this will be gone Thanksgiving because we lay out our food here. The turkey and everything is on the stove, things that need to be hot, mashed potatoes and all that. The toaster will be put away as well. My mom has a shelf in the laundry room where we can store those things, and then more food will be here. Usually the rolls and things are right here. There's that. And then over here we will remove the coffee pot and my dad's protein shake tray because our drinks are here. And then this, we can leave the Keurig and everything, but this area right here are the desserts. On the bar is always the desserts, and that's why I wrote this cute little thing on the bar. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. And I did get the boys' little table out and decorated it a little bit so that we can remove the booster seat, so somebody can actually sit in this chair, and that stool's where Leo sits at the table. Somebody can sit there too. And then my mom has this bench back here, and usually 3 people can sit back here. Yeah, that was with it. Yeah, I mean, well, you'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a lot of motivation to get your home ready for the holidays. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and I'm going to end this video with a few shots of the decor in my mom's house. She always decorates beautifully. I get my love of decorating from her growing up. She always went all out during the holidays, and I try to do the same for my boys because it was always so exciting. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and it motivated you, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you do to get ready for the holidays. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube community. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.